everyone, I hope you're doing well. We're starting a new video on OTC market strategy. In this case, we will only use one indicator in Heikin Ashi candles. First, let's set up the Heikin Ashi candles. Go to the time frame settings, select the 15-second time frame, and then choose the Heikin Ashi candles, which help indicate the trend. It's a simple way to detect if the price is rising or falling. The indicator we're using is Bollinger Bands. Alright? How do Bollinger Bands work? Let's set up our first. We will set the period of the Bollinger Bands to 20 and deviation to 1. Customize the style to your preference. Even remove the background if you want. Save the settings and we are done. Alright? Now, how does this strategy work? This indicator tells us the trend with average. If the price is strong trend, either up or down, we will look for entries at specific points, near the average or below the lower bands. The main average helps indicate the trend. If the price is below it, we will look for entry that show rejection, marked by the first red candle. If it is in favor of the trends, enter. If against, wait for the confirmations and analyze the structures. Watch the price movement. If it drops strongly, rise again and drops again without making a new low, it might indicate a trend change. Be patient to see if the will react to new average or break and change the trend. The strategy is simple. I will trade with the amount of $7 units. Okay? For 1 minute expiration. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. So, $7 and 1 minute expiration. Look for entries based on the explained setup. Here we see the possible entry on Facebook. The bullish moment is strong and the price is hovering around the average, possibly indicator an entry. January, we will try to trade in the middle area where the price confirms the trend. Notice how the price drops past the average, drops again, and then shows new momentum, indicating a strong uptrend. I will be patient and wait. If the price breaks the average, I won't enter immediately. I will wait to see if this confirms the breakout or if this is a false signal and reverses. Here we have an entry on McDonald's to the downside. Why to the downside? We see a strong downtrend with the price consistently failing to break the average, indicated good opportunity to enter bearish position. Remember, we are trading for 1 minute expiration, so patience is the key. It's not about jumping out at once, but waiting for the right signals. Both the leading and lagging average indicate a strong downside moment. On the macro trends, we see a bearish movement, so I entered the position to the downside for this reason. Okay, so now let's wait for this. So close, the first trade was a win, but there may have been a delay, causing the entry to be slightly lower than expected. The trend is down, so we'll say it might have been luck. Now we are going to try again with a different amount and attempt to enter the movement. Remember, OTC markets is high volatility. The price can rise quickly and then fall, sometimes leaving us in losses, which is normal. Here we have a possible entry in Pfizer. You will enter with amount of $30. The price is falling sharply, come back and rejecting, and falling to pass the average. The signals are a strong downtrend. The candle is long and then price is low. But in the volatile OTC markets, we are guided by the trend. We'll wait to see if this position wins, alright? Another close call. This entry was clearly, the price was below the bands, but the wick was very low, almost missing the opportunity. The market has been moving very quickly, so it could give false entries. I followed the average for bearish entry, and it will work. These 1 minute trades are fast and can be nerve-wracking. Sometimes we catch the trends, other times it doesn't confirm. In this case, the price came back and didn't pass the main, so I entered down, alright? Now, let's see if we get the bullish entry. The price is passing and the candle is changing drastically, alright? Okay, let's wait for this. Look at this point right here, we got the 2 position, okay? We got these 2 green candles. So let's wait for this. Let's use right now $60 to perform the next entry and click on the buy button. Okay, I entered bullish on Pfizer. The price did not pass the main, showing rejecting. These indicators help determine possible reversal points. Let's wait for the results. Another close call again, guys, but the entry was correct when the indicator gives false entry. It's interesting because the positions are very fast. It may seem like luck, but it's about timing. The price didn't pass, showing reject with confirming the trend changing. Okay, trend ranges with Bollinger Bands can be tricky. If you see the price breaking the zone, either up or down, we might lose. The entry to the upside was because the price was in the lower part of the band, showing rejection. Right here, guys, we have a rejection in the JPY OTC. The price reaches the average and stops. If the next candle is red, I will enter on the downside because the trend is down. Click on the sell button. Patience is crucial. Sometimes the entry appears, but then the candle changes drastically. Okay, I entered bullish on Pfizer. The price shows rejection and doesn't pass the main, indicating a reversal point. So let's click on the favor list to this one and let's wait. Alright, position 1, guys. Now I have bounce of $206 with only 4 trades in less than 15 minutes. What do I do now? In my case, I would leave the account as it is. The trend is cleared down and the price confirms the rejection. As you saw, guys, there are no secrets for this strategy. Just little patience and pay attention to the time to make the entry. It got 2 totes in this boundary here. As you can see, that help us a lot to make this downtrend. Okay, so that's all for this video, guys. Leave your comments about the strategy. If you want to be part of my group on Telegram, just click on the link on the description. So act now. I wish you good luck and good profit. I see you in the next video. Take care and happy trading.